Now I'm going to back under the trailer. I'm going to turn around. Now I heard a nice click. Lets me know the fifth wheel locked in. But I want to lift the trailer up. And I'm going to do a tug test anyway. I stop and lift the trailer up a little bit before I do the tug test, because I don't want to damage the dolly legs, jerking them back and forth, wearing out brackets, welds, or anything else. Once you're under the trailer and you're confident your fifth wheel's locked in, put it in neutral. You step out of the truck and you hook up your red and your blue glad hand. Most switchers only hook up the red glad hand. We want to make sure we hook them both up. If it's raining, if there's snow, sleet, ice, you want to make sure that you're using the stopping power of both the truck and the trailer. Step back into the truck. Make sure you give yourself plenty of clearance with the dolly legs. And off you can go.